Think pneumonia is just a bad cold? Think again. Pneumonia kills more people every year than car accidents. Pneumonia isn't just a cough, it's an infection that fills your lungs with fluid, making it hard to breathe. New parents, travelers, even young adults are at risk, especially if you ignore flu-like symptoms. Fever, chills, chest pain, and shortness of breath. That's your signal to see a doctor fast. Don't wait till it's too late. Pneumonia is preventable and treatable. Hit subscribe for more life-saving health tips.